welcome to another day in the barn. I'm Mike, and that's where I'm going to be today. I'll be in the barn. Today I got the old wheel horse back in here. Needs a new fuel pump. So last time I was working on the Cub Cadet, I got that all fixed, mowing great. We went on a few days vacation, come back and had a hayfield out here, so just got done mowing that. And now I gotta fix the old wheel horse so I can mow the spots where I don't want to mess up the Cub Cadet, because this bad boy will run over anything. So hope you come along. Fuel pump's pretty easy to do, and hopefully this will be a relatively short video. Okay, so this is a Kohler Magnum 14 on this wheel horse. It's a 414/8. And first thing you gotta do, obviously, is pop open the hood. So what I did is I bought a fuel pump for this motor from the ROP shop, which is Rugged Outdoor Products. It's a Getza fuel pump for Kohler. So here's our fuel pump here. We're going to take the old one off, put this on, see if it helps our problem. I got a very hard starting problem. I'll show you. I'm not going to start it. But what I have to do when I start it is take off this plastic cover, then I got to take off the air cleaner, which I got to do all this anyway to change this fuel pump out. Then after I get the air cleaner off, I really got to put my hand over top of the breathing side, the air side of the carburetor, because choking it's not good enough. Put my hand over it, keep cranking it, and then I finally end up putting the jumper on it, and I crank it some more. It starts sucking gas up in there. Finally, I can cut my hand a little bit, let some air in there, she'll fire off, and then I gotta work my hand like the choke until she gets warmed up a little bit, then I can pull it off and she goes. So, right down here is the fuel pump. That's what we're gonna change out. And hopefully, it's as easy as it looks. First thing I'm going to do is blow some of this oil and grease and dirt off of here. There's a couple of hose clamps on here. I'm going to take off, hopefully, and then I'll have, the hose clamps are here and here that I'm taking off. Then I'll have to unscrew these elbows right here, put them in the new fuel pump, and then put the fuel pump in and reattach the hoses. So this one here is a regular hose clamp. It's nice and loose. That'll probably be easy for that hose to come off when I get the fuel pump pulled out. I know this is a diaphragm operated pump. I probably could have just bought a rebuild kit, but it was so cheap just to buy a new one. That's what I did. Alright, got that one off there. Hopefully this, ouch, that hose came right off without splitting or anything. Let's see if I can go ahead and get this one. Nope. Alright. gonna put my Phillips screwdriver. There it is. There's the Phillips screwdriver. Yeah. See if I can hold that up in the air, quit dripping fuel. Alright. Couple of screws under here. These were pretty loose, baby. That's why it wasn't working. I doubt it. It's old. It's been on there a long time. Pull them screws out of there so I don't lose them, because I got to reuse them. Sure, I got a new gasket, but I'm going to keep that one just in case. And I pull that out. Got the fuel pump out. Take these out of this pump. This looks like a quick disconnect. I have to ship this back. I don't know if you can see these or not. This is the new one I bought. Supposed to replace this one. This one here is threaded. That one's a quick disconnect. So obviously I can't change this fuel pump. Oh, I guess that's something we'll have to do another day. Okay, everything I just said about this fuel pump not being the correct one is an easy fix. They sent parts with it. These are quick disconnects. They have barb fittings on them, so all you have to do is push them in there like that. Lock them in where you want them. Perfect. Hey, I like it. And you push the other one in the other side. It's got arrows which way the fuel goes. You got to make sure you get that right. Took a little tap to get it in there. Anyway, and this one comes with a rubber gasket instead of a rubber O-ring instead of a gasket. Well, it comes with a gasket as well, but this particular one has the O-ring, so you don't need the gasket. You just slip it in here like this. Make sure you get it in the right spot. There, get your screws. And your screwdriver. Tighten her down. is back on. This comes with new clamps and everything too. But I got the old clamp on here. I'm just going to put it back on. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Tightened up. I probably should change that dripping gas everywhere. I'm going to get in trouble. Get a pair of vice grips. Crimp this line off. Lord knows that fuel ain't cheap. Go ahead and change out this fuel filter while I'm here, since I have a new one. Oh. That probably wasn't helping any. That fuel filter's broken. Probably wasn't nothing wrong with the pump to start with. But I do like these filters better because they're see-through and you can tell you got gas up there. Starting to fill up with fuel. Go ahead and slide it on the bottom of the fuel pump. Slide the clamp up. Done deal. Too bad I didn't have gas in my mower. I think I might have a little bit. We'll see how this works. I'll go ahead and back this up because we got a nice straight pipe coming off the exhaust over there. It's pretty doggone loud. If the battery is dead. Doesn't sound too lively. Alright, guess I'll go eat lunch, put the battery on the charger, and come back and see if she'll fire up. Alright, now we're going to see if this thing will start. I got the cover all put back on. And we got the jumper cables on it. Got the choke off. Fuel turned on. Obviously the fuel pump was my problem. She's fired up good. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, I'll be in the barn and hopefully not with this wheel horse.